Welcome back. It's been a while. I just bought these Tacoma Nerf bars, or Predator steps by Rough Country, and I'm gonna install them today. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. And I'm doing it all by myself. These bars are pretty light. And then stay tuned near the end. I'll talk about my bike, what's going on with it. It's been a while, but give you an update on everything. But let's do this right here. Let's do it. The only thing I don't like is how there's a opening on each end. It's a hole here. So, you know, sand and all this stuff can get in. But it is coated pretty good. So hopefully it won't rust. Here's what's included. The hardware for it. And some simple instructions. So that's basically it. But we don't need this, because we're men. Step 1. So here's the size of the bolt. It's just one size, 13mm. That's all I need. So first thing I gotta do is to remove the caps under the truck here. And I'll show you right here. Just need a screwdriver. There's these caps right here. And unscrew them. See, they just come out. And those are the holes to install them. Right there. That's how the caps look like. So I just gotta do them to the front, the middle, and then the back. So you notice that it's shorter here and it's longer in the back.
Number 201 reporting for duty, sir.
So I positioned it the right way. They said the short end right here should go to the front. It's a little bit shorter. And this long end here should go towards the back. So this is my little rig that I decided to do. I put a little ice chest right there. And then it's hoisted up on an angle. Now I'm gonna go right in the middle first, push it up and bolt it in. And for this hex nut here, it's saying to put this little lock washer first, and then the flat washer. So that's how it should be. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be interesting. Alright, got them on. That's how it looks like. But here's the thing, for the front here, it only takes one bolt in the front. It doesn't have two holes there, so it's pretty strong still. So before starting, I suggest to prep the bolts first. And I have them sitting right next to me, right here, so I can just grab them really quick. Alright, we have a problem. So I got the middle one on here, it's pretty good. And the back is good, it's on there tight, so the back and the middle is good. But the front here, has a gap right here, and it's not getting on there. It's too much of a gap. See, there's this gap right here, and it's not, it's off or something. I don't know if it's my truck or if it's this welding. So I'm gonna have to write Rough Country about this. Or I was thinking if I put a nut in the middle here, just so that I can screw it in and then tighten it, that might work. So I'm gonna give that a try first. Well, I pretty much just tightened the middle and the back, but the front I couldn't bolt on, so just gotta write Rough Country. That's all I can do, but it looks pretty nice. pretty stable. Alright, don't break on me. Yeah, it's stable, but you know, I'm gonna have to bolt that on. I don't want to chance it. So alright, rough country. So there it is, the rough country bars on my 2017 Tacoma, and it was a okay installation using the ice chest to prop it up. And one final thing, sorry guys, I haven't been able to get back to this bike. I had a lot of personal stuff, some projects going on, a lot of stuff going on at work, and working on another project right now. And another thing was that YouTube stopped monetizing my stuff. They changed up the rules a little bit, so it kind of discouraged me from making more videos. But so what I think I'll do is I'll just finish up the bike and then I'll post a final video on it. It takes a lot of time to film and work on it at the same time, so I'm hoping to have it done by the end of the year. So we'll see where it goes. Had one minor problem on it while I was messing around with the casing here on the back. So yeah, we'll see where it goes. And maybe I'll just continue to do Tacoma videos for a little bit. They're a little bit easier, these small little mods. But that's it for now. I'll see you guys later.